Nagkaterno kayo ni Chokoy ng uniform. So we're here at SM. While looking for a parking, let's talk about etong lumalabas na issue tungkol dun sa isang VA agency na hindi nagbayad. And coach, yun yung na-pick up ko dun sa post na isang nabasa ko.
Coach daw?
Oo, VA coach daw yun. Na-recruit niya yung mga tao dahil nagpa-bootcamp siya. Basically, what they're doing, nakakairita yung mga tao dito sa SM, yung mga nandito sa parking. Marunong kami mag-park, mga kuya. Basically, VA coach ito na biglang nagtayo ng VA agency. And then what happened was, basta ang ending hindi niya binayaran yung mga VAs niya. Meron akong na-meet kahapon personally na victim daw nitong tao na to. The problem is this, inilalabas nila sa social media. Baka dun sila balikan.
1 hour later.
Sa local grounds. That is a success. Pero dapat magpapa-foods pack kami here.
Ay, bili mo na tayo ko lang yung foam sa Ace.
Foam?
Yung sa map.
Ah, okay. Di bang walang toy?
Port na siya, kawawa lang. Sinisira na yung mundo. Hindi nakakalabas.
Ha?
Hindi nakakalabas.
Okay. So, dapat magpapa-foods pa ba kami, but we can't dahil nagre-ready na si Naiming. Okay, nice. Kasi sila. 70%. So, nakasaya lang our home ng up to 70% for dining rooms, pero kabibili lang namin. Hindi na kami makapagpa-foods pa because nagre-ready na si Naiming, but we're here at Ace Hardware. Kasi nasira rin niya yun eh. Ito, yung sinira niya. Matigas. Hindi niya tatagas sa kanya lang. Mairita lang sa kanya si Ganire kaya. Parang hindi din. Miss, ano yung matitigas nyo na toy para sa bully?
Ito yung matigas, may konting lambot. Pero matigas din naman.
Sira ang
Ha?
tulungan niya. At yun ang pinag-i-interest niya.
Ito isa yun. Ito pwede din ito. Buo.
Extreme. Mas mura ba yan?
1.8.
Mas mahal.
Kasi mas solid po, mas malaki.
Ah, okay. Thank you so much, miss. Gusto ni Pops Kim bilhin yung toy na tig-1,000. Magbabayad kami ng credit card today, so it's a no. Nagamit mo na yan, ha? Hindi pa? Hindi ko mamaya?
Hindi ako alcohol.
And that is a success. Nakabili na kami ng mga kailangan bilhin dito sa SM. We're now on our way to grab coffee. And we're here. Same. This is like one of our top choice of the month. Yes, wala pang masyadong tao. I love it. Ay, bukas ba? Hours. It's open. I think. Open ba?
Sunday lang.
Close sila. Okay. That is sad. Right here. Hello. Ganda. Hi. Ganda pala dito. Ano yung order mo, girl?
Gym ko.
Ulitin mo! Ulitin mo!
Nice, mama. Yung matcha po.
Tain na!
Ano yung order mo? Ituro mo na lang.
Ito.
Oh, ano yun?
Caramel matcha to.
Matcha.
Nilalagyan ng treat sa loob. Kasi yung binili ko ngayon, nilalagyan din ng treat sa loob. Tapos yun yung kakalkalin niya. Kaya lang, malambot nga. Saglit lang kay Bamboo yun eh. Wasak agad yun nung binili namin sa kanya. Tapos nung isang araw.
Spicy pinaka po.
Okay.
Spicy.
Ito si Bamboo.
And that is a success. Sarap, masarap. Yung palang Annie Cafe. Yung dating Annie Cafe na nasa Pacific Mall, naglipat na dito and ang ganda nung place. Super love it. Very calming. Sabi ko nga kaya yung dito na dito na kami madalas dapat. No? Payapa, wala masyadong tao. Kaya lang may problem is, and this is something na tina-target namin noon, is magstay dito. Kasi meron sila nitong mga maliliit na rooms na to. Kaya lang, it's not giving.
Makakagawa ng maulan kaya hindi maganda.
Oh, hindi siya. At saka dami pang bakante dito. Oh. Kaya lang, na rin. No? Hindi nila maintain yung sayang naman. But this is a really small community dito sa may bakante pa
Isang block lang siya.
May bakante.
Kasi liliit ng bahay.
Oh, liliit ng bahay dito. Upon us, baby. Yan. Dito sa 2205 to. Dito lang siya sa Pleasantville. Pero gated community kasi siya, kaya maganda. So, this is how the room looks like with fresh linens, and then if we turn off the light, this is the ambiance with all of the lamps. I love it. Anyway, I will try and get some more sleep. Siguro mga 4 hours. No, oras ba? 6, 7, 8, 9. Mga 4 hours. 3.5 hours of sleep. Before our shift. Steps. Bamboo! Hoy! Bamboo source. Yung kasama mo dyan. Good morning. We're getting ready because we're going out. Alam mo yung Valentine's Day, pero sila yung nagva-Valentine's. This is the food.
Hindi, ito bago lang.
May parang may sinalihan na yan na
That is amazing.
Pero itong Olympics.
And these are my dates. Oh, ha. Hindi tayo kinapos sa friends.
Pasok ay na-depress. Nag-shooting. Parang namatay yung tao.
Ay, palakas. Sorry. And we are on our way to Tayabas sa Prime Skin because it is our monthly schedule for Pamper Day. Bagong ligo tayo. Nag-DIY na naman ako ng kulay ng hair. Tingnan ako, napakainit. Oh yeah. First stop, coffee. So I was talking to Papski kasi kahapon sa Annie Cafe, yung katabi ko is, I think mahal, I think sila, mga architect pala. Architect or contractors. So ang ganda ng learning dynamics kasi merong senior na nag-share. But at the same time, yung mga parang junior niya or assistant niya nagsasabi na, sir, ganito, yung parang down payment ng 400,000 at least mayu-utilize ng fully, ganyan. So, hindi ko naiintindihan yung pinag-uusapan nilang numbers or may mga na-mention silang big companies. Pero ang ganda nung flow nung conversation nila. Pati nga ako na walang alam sa pinag-uusapan nila, I was learning. Ano yun? Ha? Ay? Okay. So, anyway, they were, ano nga ba yung sasabihin ko sa yung, they were talking about investments, they were talking about closing contracts, they were talking about At hindi ko pala, mahal, hindi ko sinasadya mag-eavesdrop doon ha, kasi lang talagang maliit yung space between the tables. Parang supposedly doon sila sa taas pwesto, pero mainit pa. Akala ko mag-ano tayo? Ganyan? Oo, but first coffee. Kalumpang na lang. Same naman, di ba? Ang ikot. So, ang isang napansin ko is that even yung mga senior, they were very open to listen dun sa mga junior, dun sa conversation, kasi may mga pinag-usapan sila. I think duda ko equipment yun.
Yun yung maganda. Yun ang asenso kasi you're willing to adapt. Tapos ikaw naman, yung an elder, ang
Willing to share.
Experience naman ang maisi-share mo.
Yes. It's amazing.
Tricks of the trade.
Tricks of the trade.
Is mga update naman.
Oo, staying up to date with the latest trend, kumbaga nga. Pagkatapos, ang nakakatuwa pa nito, hindi sila nagiinom. Walang alak na involved dun sa, walang alak na,
Serious talk.
it was a serious talk, it was a meeting, and usually, di ba, pagka gano'n na nag-uusap yung mga, alam mo yung mga, lagi may alak na involved, ito wala. They were having coffee, they were having great conversation, the learning dynamics is there. I really hope na, alam mo yon, yung mga kasama natin sa negosyo, may ganung theme. Gusto ko yun. Yung parang nag-uusap kayo, not because, parang nagkita-kita kayo hindi para sa alak, nagkita-kita talaga kayo for each other. Hindi naman serious eh. Parang lang, casual conversation over coffee. Yun lang. Hello po. Si Miss...
Coffee base.
Walang caramel macchiato? Ano to? Spanish latte?
Wala din.
O the recite. Dahil di pa nadadala yung beans nila, naka-milk base tayo.
Yari yan.
Yari patiski. And that is a success. Now on our way to Prime Skin. Dito kami dadaan sa Kalumpang. But, it's clear love. But, ano lang siya. Doon lang siya sa may, ano yan? Meralco, NGCP. Ano nga yung ano natin doon? Sa mapa? Nalimutan ko din eh. Popost ko na lang siya dito somewhere para makita nyo kung ano yung ipipin nyo sa oo. But Panda? Mamaya malalaman na lang natin. But diretso na kami doon. Malapit lang siya, siguro mga 20-minute drive papunta doon. Okay. So, ang ipipin nyo is Pablitos. Yung Pablitos is right there. Tapos lalampas lang kayo ng onte. Tapos makikita nyo na yun yung sign ng Prime Skin. Alam nyo, sarap ng hangin dito sa Tayabas. Anyway, makikita nyo na tong sign ng Prime Skin. Pasok lang kayo dito sa black gate na to. Yan. And the clinic is there. Open na din sila for walk-ins in case lang na maligaw kayo dito. I'm so excited.
Lagi ka ba nasa initan, sir?
20 minutes ate.
Hindi na po.
Hindi na masyado nakakatamad magluto.
And that is a success. So we had facial, we had our drip, we had our mesolipo. Saan tayo? Wait. I'm kind of thinking weekend. Oh, sabi mo bibili kang tsinelas. Oo, papagupit. Parang gusto ko na nga, actually gusto ko na magpagupit kasi binabanas ako. Let's go to the mall. You know what I don't like about pagbagong facial is yung butas-butas yun. Hindi ba butas-butas? Hindi lang kakinisan ng face. So, nagpa-powder pa rin ako. Miss Maui mo akong papagalitan. But, we had our mesolipo. So, yes. Fresh naman po ang atake natin today. Bawas. Bawas po ang panga natin for today's video. Because, na-mesolipo na tayo. That was our last session for like 5 sessions. So, meron siyang bagong gagawin sa akin, which I will be sharing with you guys very, very soon. But in the meantime, andito tayo sa SM because we're buying slippers and shoes. We need to buy shoes for a friend, and then para bet ko magano mahal pala. Yung Samgyup dito. Matagal-tagal na rin tayong pero kailangan muna namin magpalinis ng kuko at saka magpagupit. Saan na lang available kasi madalas hindi available yan eh. First stop, DJ Egg. Kalat ng gamit. But we are home. Babski is fixing everything. I love my haircut.
The next.
So, we just finished our Reva class. Very quickie. Lang ako, kain. Kasi naamoy ko yung luto ni Totoy na sisig kanina. And now we're off to have some quality time with the boys. Very, very quick before Monday starts and a new work week begins. Wait, nasan ang vape ko lang? So, we are currently here at Ballpoint. And this is the first time that I will be trying out yung ginawa ni Baby Love na coffee. While I test it out, you explain your process.
Paano process?
How did you make this?
So,
lapit mo na konti.
So ayun, una nilagay ko yung condensed milk. Then after ng condensed milk, gatas naman. So habang ginagawa ko yun, magpe-prepare ako ng coffee shot or espresso shot. Isang shot lang siya kasi isang espresso shot lang yung nagawa ko kasi nagmamadali ako kanina. Tapos ayun nga, pagkakuha ko ng coffee nung espresso shot, ko na siya. Minimix ko na yung condensed milk and yung milk base niya. Tapos after nun, nalagyan ko ng ice hanggang sa ma-fill siya to the top. Almost to the top, ganon. Then, lalagay ko na yung espresso shot. And that is your basic Spanish latte.
So, sabi ko nga kanina, pag-taste ko doon sa kay Papski, masyado siyang milky. I had my own, Tapos, pinaalala ni Papa, ako nga pala ay double shot person. So, as a double shot person, this is a bit light for me. Would have been nice if nagpa-double shot pala ako. Pero the coffee is there. It's perfect. I like it. Kuya, ano nga yung sabi mo kanina ang lasa?
Grasa.
Wow.
Starbucks.
Yan ko si Kuya. Very nonchalant na naman yung atake niya. Sabi ko, so how was it? Tapos sabi lang ni Charles, lasang Starbucks. As a nonchalant. Ano itsura ni Kuya pagka masaya? Ano itsura ni Kuya pag galit? Anong itsura ni Kuya pag excited?
Hindi ka sasama sa Maniwaya?
Saan ba?
Kuya mo.
Spell Beach.
B-I-B-E.
Kasi we're going to Maniwaya this weekend and I'm so excited. It's actually Saturday, son. Oh. Okay. So anyway, ayan, that's where we're going.
Saturday tayo pupunta. Kayo pupunta. May pasok ako ng Sabado.
Saturday, 21.
21 is Friday.
Saturday, sorry, 22. Basta Saturday, Sunday.
Ay, lang makakain ka. Ano to? Ay, sayang.
So that is Ballpoint. We are done. We are heading home. Yes! Thank you so much. Thank you. May iwan ko pa yung stand. Hindi to magnet yung stand to na bigay ni Tita Edina. Kasi meron akong isang set ngayon ng pang Osmo Pocket. Because regalo ni Edina. But that is a success. Another family night. And then tomorrow, wala naman kayong mga pasok. Baka pwede pa kaming humabol ng counting family bonding tomorrow before work. Gawa ng walang pasok yung kids. And at the same time, medyo late kaming lumabas today. Gawa ng galing nga ako sa training. And we are finally home. Nagtitipla lang si Popski ng iinumin niya. Shot siya while watching TV. Meanwhile, ako naman is magdi-decompress. But I'm also considering I might read a book. And that is the goal for this week, is to organize lahat ng digital files. Just get that over and done. Check on homeworks ng Reva class. And just read a book. The one thing that I am looking forward to this coming week is yung Maniwaya trip namin, because then I can relax for at least 2 days na wala tayong responsibilities. So that is good. Good morning. So, wait, mag-seatbelt lang ako. I was live for a couple of hours. It's like a co-working session with Kochi and the bands. It was really nice. It's kind of refreshing to start the week like that. So we were like doing a couple of things of move in, property planning, business planning, and then chismis planning and all. So nakakatuwa. But we're now on our way to do our groceries before mag-start ang work week. Isang Salisbury steak, isang cheeseburger, isang chicken wings, yung garlic parmesan, at saka isang soda.
Pop lang po, ma'am, yung...
Ha?
Pop lang, ma'am, yung... O, 1 dozen, ma'am.
1 dozen na? Magkano yung 1 dozen na?
365 po.
Oo. That's it. Pwede pick nga no order, just to be sure.
1 solid steak po, 1/4 pounder.
Oo.
Then, 1 dozen po ng parmesan wings.
Yung 1/4 pounder is like yung cheeseburger na.
Ako yan, ako yan.
May soda na, no?
Wala po, ma'am.
Soda. Please. Paada ko yung soda. Good morning, Philippines. Mabuhay. The bambusaur is there. Walking like a dog. Sir! Foggy. Anyway, today is a very busy day because we have a lot of coaching scheduled that will start at 6 p.m. hanggang 9:30, dire-diretso na yun. On top of that, I need to clean the house. Popski is already doing the laundry. And today is Tuesday. Simula pa lang ng week. Kumbaga, but I'm very excited din matapos yung week na to, nang maraming na-accomplish. Feeling ko nasa tamang path yung week na to because I was able to start na rin yung automations na ginagawa ko. Like, all of my projects are semi on track except for one, which is sa finance. Medyo nasira tayo doon. Medyo na off ang ating project sa finance because itong isang client is na-delay ang payment, but that is okay. They already paid. Cool, good. We have clients that are paying. So, let's get the day started. Nagpa-competition pala ang DJI. Pa-competition. Sayang, dapat nag-entry ka. Yung paggamit ng Neo, yung mga shots. So, upper right, paste mo lang dyan yung pangalan ng agent.